That, of course, was I Can't Be Satisfied by Muddy Waters. This recording was made in 1948, and he did it with an upright bass player called Big Crawford. And so, of course, we're just doing it solo today. So let me tell you how it starts out. We're going to do the first 3 strings. We're going to slide on each of those to the 12th fret. And then 5th string, 3rd fret, and then open. And I'm doing this with my finger instead of the slide because it's got a little more bite to it, and I think it's a little bit more what Muddy did. Now, we do this 3 times, but the 3rd time it's different. And you notice that vibrato that Muddy used quite a bit. Now I'm using a thumb pick and a pinky slide. Muddy used a very small slide, and I tried it once. It seemed a little difficult to use, but whatever works for you. This is the next part. Okay. Sliding up to the 5th, the 3rd, 5th string, 3rd fret, and open. So now I've done something different. I'm going to slide the 2nd and 3rd strings up to the 3rd fret. And by the way, I usually start a fret below, but you can go as many as 2 frets below. That would usually work better here. So again, we're sliding on the 2nd and 3rd strings up to the 3rd fret. 3 times. Back to this figure on the 5th string. And now we've got something different. So after, we're going to slide up on the 5th string and then switch over to the 4th and resolve on the 5th fret. We're going to go to the 5 chord. So that's the rest of the intro verse. Let me show you what I did there. First we're going to go up to the 7th fret, then the 5th, the 3rd. And you're playing an open string in between each set of notes except for on the 5th string. Okay, so now what we're doing, we're getting close to the end of the first, which is the intro verse. And we're doing that figure again with the 2nd and 3rd string. Of course, we're sliding to the 3rd fret on the 5th string twice, and then the open 4th string is how it ends. All right, I'd like to just go ahead and summarize that last section of the intro verse. So give it a listen here, and that should put this part all together. Now we're going to finish the lesson with the ending, which wouldn't that make sense? So I'm going to show you 2 different ones. The first one is the one that Muddy did, and the second one is one that I've come up with in addition to what Muddy did. So whichever you want, just 2 versions there. So this will wrap up the lesson, and I hope you've enjoyed it, and go ahead and try out these endings. All right. Hey, I'm Brian Gross. You just learned the intro verse and the ending for I Can't Be Satisfied by Muddy Waters. My contact information is below this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks. See you next time.